Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. So the purpose of today's video is to tell you guys where the heck I've been, what's been going on. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, I've been busy with a whole bunch of stuff that I've been working on in the background for the YouTube channel. Trust me, it's all gonna make sense in a few, but the number one priority that I have, which is to me is more important than the channel, than anything on social media, more than my day job, more than anything, is my body transformation. I've been in the gym every single day, twice a day, killing it. It's been going on already for at least the past 2 months. Anyway, let's go ahead and get on with the rest of this video and all the different things I've been working on since my last video upload. First of all, we are in my home YouTube studio right now. This is where all the magic happens. I do all my editing and all that kind of stuff. We went ahead and we've been hooking up the office little by little, just got a few new things. Got the subscribe sign, we got a couple get shit done right over here above the door. And of course, I've always wanted to get this and I'm glad I finally did. This is from the first Fast and the Furious movie. We got the Supra and the Charger. See, my first real sports car was a Corvette. Corvettes have always been in my family, but it wasn't until Fast and the Furious, which by the way guys, I absolutely love every single one of these movies. I'm addicted to them. Can't wait for the new one to come out. But this is the movie that made me fall in love with Mopar. And this right here is a Charger. This is like the classic Charger from back in the day. But as far as today's cars are concerned, the only car left that still has a very similar look to this Charger, of course, is the Challenger. And that is the reason why I actually ended up buying my first Challenger back in, I think it was like 2012. And now we got the 18 wide body Hellcat. In addition to this, we got another little piece right over here. Kind of got this thinking about my subscribers. The reason why is because I was looking at the analytics, and it's amazing to look at the analytics because it shows you where your subscribers are from. And literally, I have subscribers right now like that are just like spread out across the entire world pretty much. I mean, yes, the majority of my subscribers are in the US, but we literally have subscribers from all over the world. And I'm actually able to see that in the analytic reports on YouTube. Now, last month was my birthday, and I went ahead and I figured, you know what, let me splurge a little bit. I went ahead and I picked up a bunch of Nikes. We went ahead, we also set this up so I could kind of keep my Nikes kind of organized. I basically felt like I needed to get some Nikes to match the cars that are in the driveway today and the cars that are coming to the driveway in the future, referring to specifically the 2020 Corvette that I have on the way. So here's a bunch of stuff that I basically purchased for myself for my birthday. Let's go ahead and check out a couple of items. I don't normally do this kind of stuff on the channel, but I figured, hey, I haven't uploaded in a while. You guys been asking me like, what the heck is going on? Well, let me show you what's been going on. Got a nice little bag here from Gucci. This one was actually a present that someone gave me. Of course, I had already unboxed it. I just put the bag there for, you know, video purposes, but got this pretty cool wallet. Definitely like this thing a lot. Got the nice little Gucci snake on the back. I got some pretty cool sneakers here. And this is something else that I also purchased for the channel, believe it or not, from Apple. We'll get to that in a second. Let me show you these sneakers. These are the Nike Air Max 270s. And of course, you know me. I can't just have some regular Nike Air Maxes. If you kind of zoom in a little bit over here, see where it says rides? So check this out. These are custom Nike Air Maxes that I had made on the Nike website. You'll see where it says JMC rides right over there. Black with the red accents. You know, you guys know, all my cars have like the red accents. The only exception is going to be the C8 Corvette, where the C8 Corvette, the whole thing is like torch red. And there's still actually black and red accents on the inside, but you'll see that when the car shows up. That car's showing up sometime in February, hopefully. January, February, let's see. These sneakers I purchased specifically because of the C8 Corvette that's coming on the way. I wanted some bright red sneakers. Now, one thing that you probably don't know about me is the fact that I wear a very, very large sneaker size. How large? Well, let me show you right now. Let's kind of flip this around. So I actually wear a size 15 sneaker, which makes it extremely hard. I pretty much can't ever walk into a store and get sneakers in my size. When it comes to these sneakers, and to be honest, even a size 15 on these kind of sneakers is still a little tight for me. These, all of them are Nikes. Just kind of switching up the colors. I gotta put these, I actually made this myself right over here. Once I have it lit up, kind of keep my sneakers in there so they're not kind of collecting dust or whatever, keep them nice and clean. But I definitely like these a lot, just a lot of cool little different colors on this. Let's go ahead and move this box over here. and onto the other one right over here. This, I love the color blue. I love the, you know, the blue accents on this thing. Thought it looked pretty nice. At first, I wasn't sure if I was gonna get the blue Corvette or not. So I had purchased these, but we're gonna go with the torch red, but still, you know, blue is one of my favorite colors. So I definitely went with that shoe also. Anyway, I know this is a car channel and I normally don't do this kind of thing, but like I said, just showing you guys what I've been up to because I haven't uploaded videos in a while. So in addition to everything I just showed you, the other thing I purchased was from Apple. I ended up going to the Apple store. I already unboxed it. I'll show you right over here. So I bought this tablet. Right over here. You can see that is the C8 Corvette that I have on the way. This tablet is an iPad Pro. Pretty much, I got the most expensive top of the line tablet you can get from Apple. And I didn't just get this so I could watch YouTube videos. This is pretty much like a computer that I can just take with me on the go. It's got the performance of a computer. I can actually do video editing over here. But more importantly, I'm actually using this to do some pretty high-tech, fancy stuff with this server that I have right here. This is actually a server that I'm running. I'm running server software on this computer. This is doing some pretty fancy, high-tech stuff with social media. Let's just leave it at that. I can't be giving away all my tricks because I have a lot of other channels that in the past I could see them, you know, copying content ideas and that kind of thing, but just trust me, everything that I'm doing, guys, is focused and based around the success of this YouTube channel. And don't think that just because I slow down with the videos that I'm slowing down. Trust me, I'm coming back really hard. The goal is to get 100K, and I want to see that YouTube play button right in the middle of this wall right over here. Once the C8 Corvette shows up, we're gonna get some pictures done, get the Corvette on one side, do Hellcat on the other side. Now, as soon as that Corvette shows up, I've got some pretty cool collabs lined up. So I'm very excited to bring that to you guys. I will be traveling with that C8 Corvette. So just let me know if you're a YouTuber and you wanna do a collab when I get that C8 Corvette. Hit me up on Instagram, send me a message, and we'll see what we can do. But I'm definitely planning on traveling with, we're gonna be putting some miles on that Corvette, believe it or not. We're gonna be putting some crazy miles because I'm gonna be driving all over the place. Let's just leave it at that. I'm not gonna be revealing who I'm gonna be doing the collabs with yet. So anyway, guys, part of the focus of what I'm trying to do over here is I'm trying to grow all of my social media platforms. And that includes Instagram, that includes Facebook, that includes YouTube. We're doing everything. I just basically wanna have multiple revenue streams because of course the goal for me is to go full time with this social media thing that I'm working on right now. So right now I am just basically prepping, getting everything ready before the Corvette shows up. Now, right after I'm done making this video with you guys, I have a Hellcat modification that I'm going to be filming and installing something brand new, really cool on the Hellcat, so stay tuned for that video. I'll give you a hint. The modification is inside this envelope. Guess, let me know if you can figure out what it is. Anyway, guys, as always, I appreciate all the support you guys give on the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications. Also, if you aren't already following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me there. The account name is jmcrides.official. I post on Instagram every single day. So in between video uploads, you can kind of know what I'm up to or what kind of crazy stuff I'm getting myself into. I also post my Instagram stories and YouTube stories. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate all the support. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget, next video, Hellcat modification. Inside that yellow envelope, what is it? Take your guesses in the comments below.